Hey y'all, this is Angie. Welcome back to my old country kitchen. Where today we're not cooking in this video. We're going to be talking about home decor. Um, we're going to be talking about autumn or fall decor. DIY, you like to make your own, or you just like to buy yours. You can go to Dollar Tree, buy you some decor already made, or if you like to be creative and make your own, I got some ideas for you. Let's take a look at this pot. I bought this at Dollar Tree quite a few years ago, maybe 4 years ago, and there was nothing in it. And I added the nautical rope, and of course, you're going to need hot glue gun, and I would suggest the Gorilla brand and the glue sticks. And the flowers, this is a mixture of some of this I got from Dollar Tree and some of it from the thrift store. I just took a bouquet already made. I didn't like the way it looked, so I just took some from it. So it's like I got old and new stuff in this pot to make something new. Of course, now it's old, I guess, because it's 4 or 5 years old, but you can still get an idea. Just get this at Dollar Tree, and you add your rope, and you can add leaves and flowers and stuff. And I had it outside, so it's got, I think I got some rocks in it. Yeah, you can buy the rocks at Dollar Tree, Walmart, I guess, um, Dollar General, but usually I go to Dollar Tree or Walmart. So I did make two of them. Here's the other one back here. So I have a couple of these colorful baskets. So what you do, all it is empty. You take an empty tuna can or an empty chicken can, clean it up, and buy you some clothespins. This is all this is clothespins. You got your can, and in here is styrofoam blocks, and that's what's going to hold your florals. All you gotta do is stick them in there and put your clothespins on the can, and it's just a simple, easy decor piece. And you can do it however color or style of flower you want. Another idea I have is this weaved basket. It used to have some old fruit in it. I believe I bought it from the thrift store. It didn't have the owl on it. I glued that on myself, and it did not have that same floral in it. It's got some of the same stuff. I think I kept, I don't know if you can see, it's got some fruit in it or some berries, but it's like some old and new together. So you just buy the flowers at Dollar Tree or Walmart, wherever you like to get them, any dollar stores. I bought the scarecrows as is. I don't remember doing anything to those, and I got a lot of little owls. I love owls, they're so cute. And I got a fox here and over here. I'm not sure if Dollar Tree still sells these. They may be selling something different this year. And I put some decor over here on my counter. I got 3 owls. I didn't do anything to them, just bought them, and I thought they looked good as is. And these I got from Walmart on a clearance sale. They were only 50 cents each. I don't know if I'll put anything in them or not. I just thought they looked good for this fall. Another great idea for some decor. I bought this sign at Dollar Tree, and you can buy little stickers. And I added the butterfly, and it's got a little bird on it. I don't know if you can see it. And some kind of little glittery heart thing. It's got a little string on it. I thought that looked nice. The signs were nice as is, but if you think you can put a little touch on it, go right ahead. Use your imagination. So yesterday I was busy decluttering the kitchen. That's one thing you can do for free for your kitchen to make it look better. And I'll probably post a picture of before or video or something, but I had all kinds of just junk, flower, floral stuff. I had some cups up here. It's just a lot of things that didn't match. And I want to point out, this looks so good now. It was hiding behind a bunch of other decor pieces, and it's from the 1970s. It's a metal tin. It's a Van Gogh picture, and I just think it just stands out so much better. Another thing I did, I ripped off the old tile. I had the sticky tile. You remember it was like a blue, white. I never finished it. It's supposed to have went all where this white is, but I didn't buy enough tiles, and if you don't buy enough and you go back, and sometimes they're sold out and you just got a half finished project. So make sure when you're doing a project, buy more than what you really need. So after I ripped all that old sticky tile off, I had to scrub all this real good, and then I shined it up. And I took some of these decor pieces here, and before, especially that brown one, and this is a, let me get this tripod straight in here. That picture is like, I think from 1970s. I'm not sure, but I thought I looked it up before. But the brown picture, it did not look good over here. It just blended in with this brown wall. And that's the problem with this kitchen, because it's like brown wall, then You look at the floors, old and brown. Yeah, I know I need to refresh this kitchen up a little bit because I'm gonna have to do it on a budget though. I'm gonna see what I can do, but it costs me nothing to declutter. Yeah, I got some other issues, as you can see over there in the corner. I had to cover it up for now. There was a leak up in the roof, and when it rains, pours down rain, it'll leak. But I got some old towels in there. I have some good ideas. I've been doing some research, and hopefully I can kind of refresh this kitchen on a budget. Thank you all for joining me, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.